Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy. Today I'm going to be reviewing Kraft mac and cheese. It has a pretty long title that's just listing all the different stuff it's got. Macaroni and cheese with chicken, topped with mild chili sauce and corn. Yeah, that's a weird, funky title. It should be pretty easy to make. The instructions are remove tray from outer carton and pull back a corner to vent. Cook on high for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Pull back film and stir each component. Replace film, cook on high for 2 minutes. Let stand in microwave for 2 minutes. Stir and enjoy. That's actually a decent amount of effort. You got like multi-steps here. It's not just stick it in the microwave. Well, let's see what it looks like. So we got the macaroni here, we got corn here, and we got chicken here, and it's got this very tappy plastic cover. I'm gonna go cook this up and be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. And before I show you the finished product, I wanted to say that the top plastic thing gets completely saturated in water, and like some other stuff, that equates to the burning tears of Satan's hellfire. Do not let it splash on you. It's painful. You don't want that. Be very careful when extracting the plastic from the top. Anyway, this is what it looks like finished. For reference, this is the box. So it looks about the same, although I don't know that there's really much they could mess up here. It is pretty hot. And the whole microwave, you gotta open it and stir everything, is kind of dumb. Could we not do that in the future, please? Thank you. Anyway, I'm gonna use a plate for future ones of these, because this is way too hot to hold. I don't know why I didn't think of using a plate earlier. Anyway, I'll start with the corn. Forgot what that was called for a bit. I feel dumb. Well, it's very generic corn. It doesn't taste great. It's probably pretty stale or old. I don't know if corn can get stale. It's not great. It's pretty chewy, but it's corn. It's like, whatever. Let's try this chicken. Now, what flavor is the chicken going for? It is going for mild chili sauce. Okay. Here we go. Hot. Very hot. Okay, you can definitely taste the chili. It is definitely chili sauce. It tastes like you got cut up pieces of chicken and chili sauce, so it's exactly what it purports to be. Not much, yeah, it's fine. It tastes like generic chili. It's a little slightly spicy, but not really. Overall, I'd say that's okay. Now for the mac and cheese, what Kraft is known for. This tastes like every generic Kraft mac and cheese I've ever had. It It's very basic, but kind of classic. So, yeah, I like it. Overall, I'm gonna say I don't like the corn. The corn is like just plain corn that's kind of stale. Chicken is fine. It's chili sauce chicken. Not super hype for it. And the mac and cheese is generic Kraft mac and cheese. It said like made with real cheese, but it tastes kind of like fake cheese. So I'm gonna give this a 6. I'd say it's fine. No, not a 6, a 5. It's average. It's a completely fine meal. It doesn't taste particularly great. It doesn't taste particularly bad aside from the corn. But it's like whatever. 5 overall. Thank you for watching. Oh, it is complex to cook as well for microwave meals. You've got to like take it out and stir it, which is a whole lot of effort. It's a lot of effort, man. I just want to plug this in, put like a minute on there, grab it, and get out. It still keeps its rating of 5 though. See ya. Welcome to the outro. The last time I mentioned that I got a pin for my birthday. I also got one other thing, a camera. Mainly that was for cooking videos, so I could actually, have a camera for that instead of awkwardly trying to use my phone. I think it is a little bit better than my trash webcam, but it's kind of whatever. It does have a lot farther range. I don't know if it's gonna do well, but you can maybe actually sort of see the faith, hope, and love on that. So it doesn't completely blur that out like my my other webcam did. Because of course, faith, hope, and love. We're not a basic white girl household. We're a basic Christian white girl household. Anyway, see ya.